The COSORI Electric Pressure Cooker aims to be a one-stop shop for all your cooking needs. This 6-quart, 9-in-1 multi-cooker boasts a variety of functionalities, a focus on safety, and user-friendly features. This review delves into the COSORI's functionalities, performance, and potential drawbacks to help you decide if it's the perfect fit for your kitchen. Unveiling the 9 functions. The COSORI Electric Pressure Cooker goes beyond just pressure cooking, offering a versatile range of functionalities. Pressure cook. Cook food up to 70% faster compared to traditional methods, perfect for busy weeknights. Rice cooker. Achieve perfectly fluffy or brown rice with the dedicated rice cooking setting. Steam. Steam delicate vegetables and seafood for a healthy and flavorful side dish. Sterilize. Use the pressure cooker to sterilize baby bottles, utensils, and more. Oatmeal porridge. Enjoy a warm and comforting breakfast of perfectly cooked oatmeal. Stew broth. Create rich and flavorful homemade broths and stews. Bean grain. Cook beans and grains to perfection with the help of pressure cooking. Meat poultry. Cook juicy and tender meats with ease. Slow cook. Set it and forget it for slow-cooked meals like pulled pork or creamy casseroles. Sauté pot. Brown meat and vegetables directly in the inner pot, eliminating the need for extra cookware. Ferment. Experiment with the world of fermentation for yogurts, kimchi, and more functionality might be limited compared to dedicated yogurt makers. Sous vide. Achieve perfectly cooked food with precise temperature control, ideal for steak and other dishes requiring a specific doneness. Keep warm. Keep your cooked meals warm until serving time. Safety first, a top priority. COSORI prioritizes safety with a 12-point safety system. This includes features like a double-layer anti-scalding lid, overheat protection, and a safer venting design that keeps the steam release valve away from the user. These features ensure peace of mind while pressure cooking. Effortless cleaning and maintenance. The COSORI Electric Pressure Cooker is designed for easy cleaning. The stainless steel housing is fingerprint resistant, and the widened gap between the pot and the base helps prevent food buildup. The dishwasher-safe lid, inner pot, and most accessories make post-meal cleanup a breeze. The high-quality aluminum cooking pot features ceramic, non-stick coating that's BPA-free, ensuring safe cooking and easy food removal. A modern touch for easy operation. The COSORI features a user-friendly control panel with an easy-to-read display. A real-time progress bar keeps you informed about the cooking process, while intuitive buttons allow for selecting the desired function and adjusting settings. The easy lid locking mechanism ensures a secure closure, and the anti-spin design of the inner pot prevents wobbling during sautéing. A recipe vault at your fingertips. COSORI doesn't leave you hanging when it comes to meal inspiration. The unit comes with an included recipe cookbook, and you can access even more recipes through the free VESync app. This app offers a variety of culinary creations to keep your cooking repertoire fresh and exciting. A few considerations. While the COSORI Electric Pressure Cooker offers a plethora of features, here are a few points to consider. Learning curve. With so many functions, there might be a slight learning curve for first-time pressure cooker users. Fermentation function. While the COSORI allows for fermentation, its functionality might be limited compared to dedicated yogurt makers. Replacement parts. Be mindful of using COSORI-approved replacement parts for the inner pot and sealing ring to ensure optimal performance and safety. The final verdict. A feature-packed option for discerning cooks. The COSORI Electric Pressure Cooker is a well-rounded option for modern kitchens. Its 9-in-1 functionality, focus on safety, and user-friendly features make it a compelling choice for busy cooks who crave versatility. The included recipe resources and easy cleaning process are additional bonuses. While there might be a learning curve for new pressure cooker users, and some functionalities might be more basic than dedicated appliances, the COSORI Electric Pressure Cooker offers a feature-rich package for those seeking to streamline their countertop and explore a variety of cooking methods. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.